Happy Monday, guys. Jason checking in for the chart guys, looking at gold. And wouldn't you know it, it looks like that descending wedge in the 4-hour time frame actually broke bull. So here we are looking at it on the daily. We can see our multiple tests. Let's just switch to 4-hour for clarity's sake. There's our multiple tests. We come up, get another test very recently where we settled into this big hourly uptrend. And we'll zoom in on that in a little bit. But look at that 4-hour break. Nice move above, not even really a back test, straight up. And then we've been consolidating up here in what looks like it'd be about 8 to 12 hours, sitting up here above our breakout. So a couple of things still need to happen on the 4-hour time frame. Based on the size of this pattern, a back test should not be unexpected. And given the volatility of the overall market, we could see a lot of chop back and forth very quickly, depending on what sort of news comes out. So we were waiting for a news-driven break above this. We got it with the tariffs. Now we're waiting to see what happens as we have broken above our channel. So possible we could see another back test looking for a support test of this former resistance before continuing to the upside. Or we look at this as a 4-hour contrarian pattern to the daily, weekly, monthly equilibrium, which we should be in a current downswing position for. So enough of the 4-hour talk. Let's take a look at what's happening on the hourly and how you guys can use this to benefit from some trades coming up over the next couple days. So here's our hourly break, no back test. So I'd like to see that, as I said, a back test of this trend line for continuation. So there's two things really that can happen. One, we get it. Two, we don't. So if we get it, then we will watch for a back test to come down, probably a little choppy. Look for areas of support. You can dip a little bit below because we have consistently been breaching these areas of support and resistance. They're zones, not straight lines. And looking for maybe a little flush and then continuation of the upside. The other alternative is we just get ourselves into a bit of a consolidation pattern right up here. And we're starting to slow down on the 4-hour time frame. If we jump back to that, we can see those upper wicks here. If we go to the daily time frame, this would be a reversal candlestick, a nice shooting star. So we need to be very cautious and watch for uptrends. We need the hourly bulls to establish some support. They've moved quite a distance, and it's possible we could find some hourly support at this trend line. This is a former resistance, should now act as a support if it is indeed going to hold that level, in which case it's possible we set up for an hourly EQ. So a lot of waiting. We have to see what the breakout pattern is going to be. Sorry, the consolidation after our breakout. Watching for some sort of support and resistance to be established here. This is price discovery, folks. Now we need to consolidate and set some key levels. Let's take a look at what our 4-hour resistance could be if we get some good upside continuation. Words are hard today. 1310 is a resistance in the 4-hour time frame, and then the next one's way up there at 1324. There is resistance at 1326 we need to be cautious of as well. So should we fail to see continuation and we decide we're not going to just go sideways, we're going to go back down, we have to look for hourly support, potentially around here, 1291. That's a nice support level. Also, we can use our former supporting lines on our hourly trend here in the yellow dots, yellow lines rather, and then looking for potential, again, a nice breakout back test and move off of that 4-hour chart. So a lot of possibilities. That's why we need to be prepared. We need to plan for all potential outcomes. But yeah, really cautiously watch this hourly time frame overnight. See what the market looks like and what the patterns of consolidation look like for you as we head into the trading day on Tuesday. That's it for me today. I'm rambling all over the place. Have a fantastic night, and thanks again for watching.